Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video I'm going to tell you that how can you change your Facebook's password. So let's start the video. First of all, open up your Facebook application and go straight to your profile and open up your profile. After opening your profile, tap on the three horizontal lines and open up your settings. After opening your settings, you have to tap on password and security. In password and security, you will find the option of change password in login. Have to tap on it. You have to write your current password, type your new password and confirm your new password, and then type on update password and your new password will be updated. This is how you can change your password. I hope you liked the video. Thank you so much for watching the video, and I hope this video will help you in any way. If you like the video, like, share and subscribe to our channel. By following these steps, you can easily change your password or reset your password.